Oh my god, it can fold in 2 seconds. Today I would like to introduce a transparent folding chair to you. We can see that it has not only transparent colors, but also submit transparent attributes of various colors. The sunlight reflects down, which is really precious to the eye, and it's very suitable for bedroom or living room. The thickness after folding is less than 5 cm, which is very suitable for small apartment and can be hidden or used at any time, which is very easy to move and store it. More important, it's not only used for the outdoor picnic, but it's the coffee shop. It can solve just sitting problems. Play the rules in crazy seat. It not only has unique design, but very comfortable seat. Are you interested in?